Hello guys, welcome back to my channel all about insurance. Today we are going to talk about what is life insurance. Life insurance is a contract between an insurer and a policy owner. A life insurance policy guarantees the insurance pays a sum of money to named beneficiaries when the insured dies in exchange for the premiums paid by the policyholder during their lifetime. The life insurance application must accurately disclose the insured's past and current health conditions and high risk activities to enforce the contract. Key takeaways: life insurance is a legally binding contract that pays a definite benefit to the policy owner when the insured dies. For a life insurance policy to remain a force, the policyholder must pay to a single premium upfront or pay regular premiums over time. When the insured dies, the policy named beneficiaries will receive a policy's face value for a death benefit. Terms life insurance policies expire after a certain amount of years. Permanent life insurance remains active until the insured dies, stops paying premiums, or surrenders the policy. A life insurance policy is not only as good as the financial strength of the company that issued it. State guarantee funds may pay claims if the issues can't. Types of life insurance. Many different types of life insurance are available to meet all sorts of needs and preferences depending on the short or long-term needs of the person to be insured. The major choice of whether to select temporary or permanent life insurance is most important to consider. Term life insurance lasts a certain number of years, then ends. You choose the term when you take out the policy. Common terms are 10, 20, or 30 years. The best term life insurance policy balance affordability with long-term financial strength. Decreasing term life insurance is renewable term life insurance with the coverage decreasing over the life of the policy at a predetermined rate. Convertible term life insurance allows policyholders to convert a term policy to permanent insurance. Renewable term life insurance provides a code for the year the policy is purchased. Premium increase annually, and we are usually the least expensive term insurance in the beginning. Permanent life insurance. Permanent life insurance stays in force for the insured's entire life unless the policyholder stops paying the premiums or surrenders the policy. It's typically more expensive than term. Whole life insurance is a type of permanent life insurance that accumulates cash value. Cash value life insurance allows the policyholder to use the cash value for many purposes, such as a source of loans or cash or to pay policy premiums. Universal life is a type of permanent life insurance with a cash of value component that earns interest. Universal life features flexible premiums unlike terms and whole life. The premiums can be adjusted over time and designed with a level death benefit or an increasing death benefit. Indexed universal is a type of universal life insurance that lets the component variable. Universal life insurance allows the policyholder to invest the policy cash value in an available separate account. It also has flexible premiums can be designed the level death benefits or an increasing death benefit. Term versus permanent life insurance. Term life insurance differs from permanent life insurance in several ways. What tends to best meets the needs of most people. Term life insurance only lasts for a set period of time and pays a death benefit should the policyholder die before the term was expired. Permanent life insurance stays in for as long as the policyholder says the premium. Another critical difference involves premium. Terms life is generally much less expensive than permanent life does it because it does not involve building a cash value. Before you apply for life insurance, you should analyze your financial situations and determine how much money would be required to maintain your beneficiary standard of living or meet the need for which you are purchasing a policy. For example, if you are the primary caretaker, you have children 2 and 4 years old, you would want enough insurance to cover your custodial responsibilities until your children are grown up and are able to support themselves. You might research the cost of hiring a nanny and a housekeeper or using commercial childcare and cleaning services that perhaps add some money for education, include any outstanding mortgage and retirement needs for your spouse in your life insurance calculation, especially if the spouse earns significantly less or is a stay-at-home parent. Add up that costs would be over the next 16 or so years. Add more for inflation, and that's the death benefit you might want to buy if you can afford it. How much life insurance to buy? Many factors can affect the cost of life insurance premium. Certain things may be beyond your control, but other criteria may be managed, potentially bring down the cost before applying. After being approved for an insurance policy, if your health has improved and you have made positive lifestyle changes, you can request to be considered for change the risk class. Even if it's found that you are in a poorer health than at the initial underwriting, your premiums will not go up. If you are found to be in better health, then you can expect your premiums to decrease. Step 1, determine how much you need. Things about that expenses would be need to cover in the event of your death. Things like mortgages, college tuition and other debts, not to mention funeral expenses, plus income replacement is a major factor. If your spouse or loved ones need cash flow and are not able to provide it on their own, there are helpful tools online to calculate the lump sum and that can satisfy any potential expenses that would need to be covered. What affects your life insurance premiums and costs? Step 2, prepare your application. Age, gender, health, tobacco consumptions, driving record, family medical history, lifestyle. Now, life insurance buying guide. Life insurance applications generally require personal and family medical history and beneficiary information. You will also likely need to submit to a medical exam. You will need to disclose any pre-existing medical conditions, history of moving violations, DUIs, and any dangerous hobbies such as auto racing or skydiving. Standard forms of identification will be also needed before a policy can be written, such as your social security card, driver's license, or US passport. So this is it for today, guys, for what is life insurance. I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.